So I'm gonna start off by creating a new layer, and I'm gonna name it glow effects like this. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the layer mode to color dodge. Now once that is done, just double click onto the layer and untick the transparency shapes layer. Once that is done, just make sure before you start painting, make sure that opacity and flow of the brush is under 30%. I like to keep it on 25% or maybe less than that, so that the light effect or the glow effect doesn't look harsh. So that was the main part. When you're done with everything that I just explained, just start painting the light or the glow onto the face or the object that you might be using, and it is up to your understanding, or it is up to you where you want to place that light or glow on the object to be. And but still, if you guys want an in-depth tutorial on where light should hit onto an object or a portrait or on a face, and where all the dark shadows should be, then I can totally make a tutorial about it. Just let me know down in the comment section. And that was it for the video. It was really quick, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial or this quick video. If you did, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'm just gonna speed through the process a little bit so that you can guys actually see where I put the lighting or the glow effects on the portrait. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you the next time.